So AMC got more upgraded this year. Just in the span of 6 months, we got upgrade, as you can see here, for AMC twice on May 6th and July 11. $4 and 250 the last upgrade for AMC. So we have to discuss what's gonna happen right now is just around the 189. So just from the upgrade, we see that the analysts seeing a potential 20 or 18% jump or even 200 jump or almost 150 around the $4. So we have to discuss, is that possible? And of course, is not by coincidence that analysts said the $2.20, because it's right around the technical level, the $2.25. And of course, we have to discuss GameStop as well, and seeing if there's a potential for reversal as well. As you can see, let's see if we have an upgrade as well for GameStop. So as you can see here, is different for GameStop. We got downgrade recently, and we don't have any upgrade or downgrade in the last 2 years. And as you can see from this list, we have more downgrade than upgrade than AMC. So you see the difference between AMC and GameStop. So AMC have more upgrade, and from sell to neutral and neutral to outperform, hold to buy. So you see we got a really good analyst estimate for AMC. So before we go further, guys, remember our content always for educational purposes only. And of course, remember we always do update on our Discord for many stocks that jumping lately. And of course, we got a really good swing trade that we did last week for WDFC that had earnings, and we did the short before the earnings around 242.36 and did 25% because we got overestimation or surplus for the earnings, of course, for the stock. And of course, we got other stocks like GLHL that squeezed a lot, as you can see here, from the $7 until the 30. I'm talking about this jump happened in just few hours. It's not in years, but a few hours. From the 7, after a few hours, jumped or even less than 1 hour, jumped from the 7 until the $30, and then we pulled back. So those update always we do on our Discord ambition before the market open, of course, because usually the action happens before the market open. And of course, tomorrow there is an opportunity. It's not like you say the opportunity is gone. No, every day there's a new opportunity. So tomorrow we're gonna discuss other stocks, pharmaceutical company potentially might have a huge news before the market opens, so we're going to discuss it early on our Discord. But in meantime, we have to discuss GameStop very quick because we have a lot of downgrade lately. However, the earnings were really good, and we're still holding the 2087. So technically, right now didn't change nothing for AMC because for GameStop, because we technically trading sideways between the 2368 and the 2087. So we got this range. We are trading in sideways. The reason is because the sellers and the buyers are in balance, and we still have no news lately. Like AMC have upgrade lately, but for a GameStop still. And of course, the earnings is still after 2 months from now. So there is no volatility yet for GameStop. Plus, the volume is still lower. So now just watch out for the 2087. As long as we hold here, is mean the market maker and well still holding and still loading up. And once we break the 2368, we might have the 26 and the 28. For AMC, on the other hand, as we said before, we have a lot of upgrade, as you can see here, from neutral, from sell to neutral, from underperform to neutral, and from neutral for outperform, from hold to buy. So you see, we got a lot of price target change right now from toward the $2.50, $4 to $3 to $3, $12. We got a lot of price, or analysts suggest that the price should go up from now because right now is around the 189. So just from the technical, we're really good because lately we have this dip around the 164 and we met with a lot of buying pressure. This one happened on Wednesday when we jumped almost 20 or 18%. Then we consolidated for Thursday and Friday. There's no action. Thursday and Friday, no action at all for AMC. We just consolidating after jumping 20%. So this is normal that we have a bit of slowdown in activity before another jump might happen next week to do another 18%. So it's kind of calculated jump because 19%, 2 days of accumulation, we always have this kind of reaction, preparing for another move, and then another 18%. This will be a good move, guys, to test the $2.24 and hold over it. We need the same accumulation that happened here. Let me just show you. This accumulation, we need to have it again. You see this level? This accumulation last week in Thursday and Friday, we needed to happen exactly here over the 2.25 to confirm the whales buying again and loading up on AMC. And the next move should be around the 3 and the 3. Of course, this will confirm the squeeze toward the 4 and the 5.55, in my opinion, the major test before the next earnings for AMC after 1 month. So GameStop, 2 months in the earnings, for AMC after 1 month from now. That's why AMC have more volatility right now and more jump and more like buying pressure happening before the earnings because the earnings coming up pretty near. And as everybody knows, before the earnings, like in 2 weeks, we have more volatility. Either selling pressure to go down to for this is a trick market maker do to buy cheap, or if we have high estimation and the news leak or outperform earnings estimate, we see the opposite, buying before the earnings. And of course, both of them will be good as long as we hold the support or break the resistance before the earnings. So I'm watching the $2.24 for AMC for the coming days. Of course, then make sure to hit the notification button and subscribe in order to be notified the next time once we go live as well by tomorrow, 15 minutes before the market opens. So make sure to tune in by tomorrow because we're going to discuss AMC and GameStop live and discuss other stocks, day trade stocks, cryptos, and the whole market. And of course, take your questions. And of course, if I don't reply in the comments, sorry about that. So if you want me to reply on your question, and of course, focus on some stocks to check the chart for you, make sure to tune in on our live streaming. I will try to reply as soon as possible. In the meantime, thank you for watching, guys, and see you all back by tomorrow.